Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel English Wickeden. So today you are going to learn about instructions, how to give instructions or how to prepare set of instructions. First of all, what is meant by instructions? Instructions are other forms of imperative sentence. Okay, they are also known as set of rules or guidance to be followed to maintain gadgets or preserve something or develop skills, knowledge, communication, etc. So they always start with verb format. So instead verb format we do say do's and don'ts. So do's means those instructions to be followed. Don'ts means negative things that which should avoid. So let's see in depth about the formats of instructions, how we can use or how we can prepare instruction or how we can write instruction in English. Instruction must always begin with action words. That is the first thing. So the instruction will not start with subject. Instead of subject, implied subject. Implied subject is you, because instructions are addressed to second person. So second person means you. So you need not be there in the sentence. So you can start the instruction with action verbs like use, keep, maintain, refresh, wash your hands, remove the shoe, so handle with care, stop nagging, take care. So like that you can use these words starting in action words starting in the instructions. Reach in time, arrive, install, open, bring, purchase, restricts. So all these are very frequently used action words which are very well can be used in instruction. Avoid using auxiliary verbs like should, would, must. So we don't use auxiliary verbs or modal verbs like should, would, can, could. All these are not used in instructions because instructions straight away start with the action verb. Some of the negative formats using instruction. Okay, so when you use instruction or when you prepare instruction, so you can write either in positive form or negative form. Okay, so positive form already you know we start with the action verb. So when you write in negative form, you write different ways. The one of the ways is that do not. Okay, so do not use plastics inside the campus. Suppose you say another thing also, do not use drugs inside the campus. Do not smoke inside the campus. That is a negative way of telling. Then we can also use like avoid verb plus ing. Avoid using, okay, avoid using plastics inside the campus. You can say avoid using drugs inside the campus. Now instead of telling avoid, we can also use never. Never plus verb. So never use. When you write never, don't use ing form of the verb, okay? But avoid always followed by ing form of the verb. Avoid using. But never is followed by verb only, action verb. So never use plastics inside the campus. Never use drugs inside the campus. So it is the negative format of giving instructions. So one example of to perform well in the semester exam. So how will you write instructions? See here, prepare, do not waste time, watch TV only for refreshment, do not buy new accessories, do not spend lot of time gaming in your PC, refer the same textbook or notes, do not try to study new concepts, follow the same method of study, take 5 minutes break, do not do multitasking while studying. See all these in this instruction you have all types of formats starting with verb, action verb like prepare, watch, refer, follow, take, etc. Now negative forms are also used. Do not waste, do not buy, do not spend, do not try, do not do. So these are negative forms. So all forms are included in these instructions. Okay, so instructions is here advising or warning or telling something to do or not to do. That's what we see in this particular question. So how to do well in semester examination. So like that, if other questions are given also, you have to write like this. Some of the questions, let us see. Suppose question is like this: write important instruction to be followed in the chemistry lab or physics lab or English lab or library. So how will you write instructions? So when you say lab, so remove your shoes before entering the lab. But in some labs you have to wear shoes. So wear shoes when you enter into the lab. So lab, there are so many sophisticated things are there. Equipments, instruments, so many things are there. So handle the equipments or instruments with care. So acid may be there, or certain things you shouldn't touch. So do not touch acid. So like that, some instruction you can give. When you go to the library, so what instruction to be followed in the library? So library is a place of quietness, calmness. So keep silence inside the library. Do not fold the papers inside the books. Okay, return the book in time. So starting with the action verb. Suppose do not miss, do not make noise in the library. Now write important instruction to be followed to preserve environment from pollution. So there is lot of pollution. So how to preserve this environment? So instruction you can say. What you say? Don't use private vehicles. Avoid using private vehicles. So instead that, use public vehicles. That can be one instruction. Okay, so like that you can make your own instruction related to the question asked. Let's see the next question. Write important instruction to be followed to maintain two-wheeler, four-wheelers, so car, bike, so scooter or lorry or bus. So all these vehicles need to be maintained. So what are the instructions? So you must think what is important to maintain this vehicle. So there is means what they have to do. So they have to wash the vehicle. So wash your vehicles regularly. Okay, then do service to the vehicles. So like that, so many things are there. Write important instruction to be followed to maintain gadgets, mobile phone, laptop. So these electronic items also have to be maintained. So what we know that electronic items should not be near water or fire. So how will you say in instruction? Do not keep the mobile phone near water or near fire. So do not use mobile phone too much time. So do not use laptop for hours. So like that, you can go on writing set of instructions for maintaining things, preserving nature, or preventing pollution, or the strict rules to be followed in school, colleges, library, etc. Okay, so you have learned how to write format also. Okay, positive format as well as negative format. So remember, try to use all types of format in the instruction or when you write instructions. So hope you got some knowledge about how to write instructions. Okay, so practice writing at least 5 instructions to maintain any gadgets and see whether you are able to write or not. Okay, so thank you for listening. Hope you are learning English by watching these videos in English Vigadan YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.